So hello everyone and welcome to the new video of this channel, and I'm so happy you are here because today is the topic that a lot of people get confused, and they are honestly so much frustration about how the diet can work best for them. Okay, so most of the people think that their diet is not working until their body quietly start working. Okay, so today I'm going to tell you something more deeper, something more closer, that the clear signals that your diet is not working, why your diet is not working, and you are putting all the efforts, but still you are not getting any results. Okay, whether you are on a weight loss journey, whether you are facing the diabetic issues, you are following the diets, but you are not getting the results. Okay, so let's jump into it. Number one is your energy is crashing. Okay. So if you feel tired in the middle of the day, your eyes feel heavy and your body just feel drained, your diet is not giving you enough fuel. Okay. So a healthy diet doesn't mean that you are eating less. Okay. Most of the people thought that eating less can make them more energetic throughout the day, but it is just a myth. You need a nutritious diet that can work best. Okay, so having that kind of diet in your whole day is most important. Try to consume the protein, the fiber rich foods in your diet that can help in covering all the nutrition in your body. Okay, so remove this myth from your mind that you have to eat less, okay, for having the good body image, okay, and losing body fat or anything. But you should keep in mind that having that kind of diet that is full in nutrition, that is most important. Okay, next is if you are snapping easily, okay, you are just getting irritated, you are getting angry at just small stuffs, okay, so your diet might be too low in the calorie or nutritious poor. Okay, so because the food affects your hormones directly. Okay, whatever kind of foods you eat, they impact your mental health as well. Okay, if you are eating like non-veg or any high meat food, okay, because they are high in calorie, they are low digestible. Okay, the body can't digest it more quickly. So try to eat those kind of foods in your diet that are easy to digest, that are more nutritious, and they keep you fresh all day. If you're eating red meat or any kind of foods that are high in calorie, too oily, too spicy, okay, they can make you anger whole day and so much irritated and so much annoying by all the stuffs. Okay, so be aware of this thing. So you should keep in mind that just take that kind of foods that are low in calorie and highly nutritious, okay? And they keep you calm and peaceful all over the day, and you can handle all the situations, all the bad and tough situations in your life easily, okay? So, this kind of things you should follow every day. Next is your cravings has been increased. Okay, so if you are not able to following your diet on a daily basis because of your cravings has been increased day by day, because most of the people trying to follow or try to manage their diet by just lowering their controlling their cravings, or they can't able to control the cravings, so they have sugar intake too much, or they take chocolates and so many beverages. Okay, so if you are craving for sugar, salty snacks, and any kind of comfort foods, because everyone have their own comfort foods, okay, which keep them more comfort. So because your diet may be unsatisfied and unbalanced, because craving happens when your body is not receiving enough protein, fiber, carbohydrates, or healthy fats. Okay, so that's why cravings has been increased. Okay, so for this, you can replace your food items with any of the things like making so many dishes that can be uh, more nutritious and can be very control your cravings as well. Okay, so if you want chips, a packet of chips, you can just roast the makhana in just spices and with just sprinkle some salts and eat it. It will taste so delicious, okay, and you will enjoy it. Okay, so just try to replace your food items and just try to control that what are the things I can do for controlling my cravings instead of having the food those food items that can harm my body. Okay, because all the things whatever you eat, they will impact your diet and your body as well. Okay, next is your digestion is getting worse. Okay, so if you are not able to follow your diet on the daily basis, its most common reason is your digestion is getting worse. So bloating, constipation, acidity, and heaviness, so these are the signs that your gut is not happy. Okay, many people start dieting, okay, and after their digestions become worsen because they cut too much or don't eat the balanced meals. Okay, because having that balanced meals in your body is very much important. Okay, because if you are not taking enough fiber, you will feel the constipation. Okay, if you are not having foods that can calm your or soothe your acidity, you can have the your stomach acidity will increase and you will have the acid reflux issues. Okay, so it means that you have to eat those foods, those diet friendly foods that can also maintain your gut microbiome as well at a good level. Okay, so just try to focus on the foods that can maintain the good environment, okay, in your gut. Okay, because gut is the main organ in our body that handle all over the things. Okay, whatever you eat, it will also impact your physical health, your mental health, your emotional health as well. Okay, so here all the things begin. Okay, so first of all, just focus on your gut, just focus on the foods that can help in maintaining a uh, um, good balance in your gut. Okay, next is your weight is stuck. So most of the people think that they are eating less, so why they are not able to losing weight. Okay, and most of people go to starving. Okay, so because of that, what happens that their metabolism gets slow. Okay, and by having the slow metabolism, your gut, your body will not pro- work work in a very proper function that they can provide you the good nutrition at a perfect way. Okay, and that's why you feel that your weight is stuck. Okay, so for that, what you can do, you can just uh, have that kind of not having the starvation. Okay, because in our society, most of people thought like starvation can work best because uh, it is just a myth. Okay, and the fact is that starvation makes your body less in calorie. Okay, and when your body gets low in calorie, it can't functions properly. It will not get the sufficient energy that it can work in a proper way, in a proper function, that it can provide the nourishment to your body. Okay, so that's why you will have the slow metabolism, you feel low throughout the day, you will have that stuck or mood swings and anger issues, so many stuffs that you felt so much devastated. Okay, so number one is that you have to avoid that just avoid the starvation kind of thing. Okay, just eat the foods and have the plate full of the nutrition like carbohydrate, fiber, protein, all the foods that can provide you the nourishment throughout the body. Okay, so number 6 is that your skin is breaking out. Okay, so, if you are not having that kind of diet, okay, that can provide you the full nourishment, you can see the symptoms like your skin is not looking so much glowing, having some dullness, and because your body initially it is getting dehydrated, okay, or losing the glow inside it. Okay, so your diet is missing that essential nutrients like healthy fats, antioxidants, and all the vitamins that needs your body to glow the skin, to have that brightness, to have that um, that it can work in a proper way and it looks externally. Okay, your body just glow in a natural way. Okay, so skin, because it reflects your internal nutrition, if you are not getting the proper nutrition, you will have skin issues like pimples, acne, and so much things that you are totally unaware of it. Okay, next is light workouts feel heavy. Okay, so if you're not getting the proper diet, okay, you will feel like just getting doing the light workout, you feel that uh, I'm so feeling so much tired. I can't do it anymore. So if the stamina drops, okay, workouts feel harder, or the soreness increase, your diet is not supporting the recovery. So you need to just remind yourself that you need that protein, that macronutrients in your body that can helps recover your body internally. Okay, because if your body not recover internally, you will not able to do the next level of exercise or any workout, okay, which you target. Okay, so if you are experiencing even two or three of these signs, because I explain all the 7 symptoms that your body signals that your diet is not enough. Okay, so it's time to reconsider your diet. So number one, a healthy diet should be of that can boost your energy, that can stabilize your mood, that can improve your digestion, and supports the metabolism and makes you feel more and more stronger day by day. Okay, even if it is mentally, physically, or emotionally, you are just boosting. Okay, so, because your body never lies, so try to listen to those signals before they turn into the bigger problems. So, thank you for watching and take care of your health. Your future self will be very thank you for you. Okay, so I will see you in the next video. Thank you for now.